On this week's edition of Mr. Jack's Journey, RVing can make you a millionaire. If you're a billionaire, stay tuned for details. I wish it wasn't true, but if you own one of these things, it's like a house. You're always going to have some upkeep. You're going to have maintenance.
And I think we're always looking for maintenance that can be trusted, a place that we can trust, and also that's affordable. That affordable thing, that's really the tough part. Well, it's just as hard finding one that you can trust. But I found one in Iuka, Mississippi, and I want to tell you about it. It's Lakeshore Custom RV.
Morning, peeps. It's 5:30 in the morning. And, on that last trip, I told you that limb fell on the skylight and broke it. Well, I'm going to take the coach down to one of the best kept secrets. Those of you who have RVs and will need work, which you will, I found this great place and I'll tell you about it when I get there. Always a quick stop here at Buc-ee's. I say quick stop. I stop long enough to usually get a cup of coffee and put some gas in this thing. On to Lakeshore RV in Iuka, Mississippi, and get this coach in the shop. I brought the coach here before and was just amazed at the workmanship and the pricing. Right now I'm going to unhook Mr. Kermit and get on the road, get back home, and I'll come pick this up in about a week or so.
You don't have to have a tiffin to come here. Some of the services look like they do aqua hots, and this was custom lighting. Look up there, they've been some custom lighting there. And on this one, they took out the credenza and installed a fireplace. I can tell you right now, fireplace comes in handy on a chilly morning. And this one looks like they redid the floor, put in some new, they put in some new flooring here. And here they're going to take out the camping refrigerator and they're going to put in a residential refrigerator. And here looks like they're pulling out a generator. They're going to fix a generator, so they do that. I like this. This is an induction cooktop. And in this picture, you'll see they even put in a new microwave and put in a new sink. So kitchen remodeling. And you don't have to have a newer coach. There's an older, looked like an older tip in there. And this was pretty amazing. That wall and the floor had water damage, but look what it looks like when they get her all done. And a roof completely destroyed. They placed it, put a new roof in. That looks fantastic. Here we have a damaged slide out, completely redone. And they installed a television there. Safety Plus, I have that on my unit. Helps keep the steering straight and true. And I also use the blue locks for our tow. You can find them on the website, lakeshorecustomrv.com. Find out different services that they have. A lot more, I'm sure, than what I've been able to show you on here. So appreciate y'all stopping by. Mama Nima said, hey, we'll see you next time around.